It's that time of the year again. Holiday mug out, holiday candle going. I've got a nice cozy sweater on and it's 78 degrees outside. Good morning, everyone! So for today's video, I have a Korean beauty haul from Sephora. I'm going to be sharing with you guys some products that I picked up, as well as some of the holiday kits that you guys can pick up to give you guys some holiday gift ideas. So without much further ado, let's go ahead and get started. I have this giant box from Sephora. Also, we don't need this. Ooh! Who doesn't love samples? What did I even get? So first we have this guy here. This is the Orchid Youth Glow Set. If you guys actually want more information on the Youth Enriched Cream with Orchid, I have a full video talking about their line, which I can link down below. And in this kit, you also get the Intensive Hydrating Serum with Green Tea Seed. And there's also the Brightening and Pore Caring Sleeping Mask. So this is $34, which actually is a very good deal because I'm pretty sure the Youth Enriched Orchid is almost that amount by itself. And the nice thing about these kits too is you don't have to worry about, like, you know, getting too crazy with the wrapping because they're already super cute. Then we have the Green Tea Hydration Set, which I feel like this is a very safe bet for a lot of people that are just getting into skincare because it contains the Intensive Hydrating Serum with Green Tea Seed. This is a full size. You also get the Intensive Hydrating Cream with Green Tea Seed, as well as the Hydrating Sleeping Mask with green tea. So this guy retails for $29. So again, a pretty affordable price point for something like this. And then we have this guy, which I actually got one of these last year and I still use a lot of the lip balms. So this is something I definitely think a lot of people will get good use out of. And you get 3 different lip balms in different shades. Again, these are lovely. I have been using mine for a full year and love them. And I love that they're slightly tinted so you get a little bit of color with your moisturized lip. This is kind of like the perfect stocking stuffer too. So these are the 3 holiday kits that Innisfree has that are now available at Sephora. These are all under 35 bucks and you get to spread the joy of holiday Korean beauty splendor. So funny enough, I actually ordered these before my trip to Korea and Japan and it got here when I was out there, so I haven't actually looked at this since I've gotten back until now, so it's kind of a surprise. Let me see what my thought process was when I placed this order on Sephora. This is the Hydrating Cleansing Oil, also with green tea. I have actually gone through a full bottle of this, and I absolutely love this. It's a nice, lightweight type of cleansing oil. It does a really good job of effectively removing my makeup, and yeah, so I picked up another one of these because I needed a refill. Kind of another refill item, I got the Innisfree Pore Clearing Clay Mask. This is 2 times with super volcanic clusters. I use this on and off pretty much since I got into using Korean skincare, and so this is kind of a staple for me whenever I need like a deep clean or I'm experiencing like a lot of blackheads. So yeah, this is like one of my re-ups, and now I can pick it up at Sephora, which is super convenient. Oh, I also got one of these. This is a pore clearing clay mask. This one has these super volcanic clusters. These are perfect though because you literally get enough for like 1 or 2 uses and your skin can still be amazing while you're traveling. No excuses, people. Also, re-up is the Innisfree Intensive Hydrating Serum. This is actually in one of the kits, but you know, this is again something that I like to share with friends or family. And yeah, this is just kind of one of those oldies but goodies. So I've got another clay mask here because honestly, I feel like Innisfree is one of the best clay mask brands out there. This is a pore clearing clay peel off mask. So I actually haven't used this. I was just kind of intrigued by the concept of a clay mask with a peel off formatting. So I mean, my skin is just gonna look super clear. Like I said, Innisfree is kind of your best bet when it comes to those types of products. Oh, this is something I've been actually wanting to try for years now. Their advertising campaign gave me a heart attack. Hey, squeeze me, and now you have nothing to say. Do you like these? Yes. Back to what I was saying. I remember when they came out with this and I was super intrigued and wanted to try it, but it was just one of those things I never got around to trying. So now I get to give it a go. Soybean is supposed to have a lot of really amazing anti-aging benefits. I also like the fact that fermented soybean is supposed to brighten up the skin. So I am going to be testing this out finally. I'm actually really excited about this product. What's this? This is the Intensive Hydrating Eye Roll-On with Green Tea Seed. And the reason that I picked this up is because of the formatting of the product, to be completely honest. This is one of those eye creams that has a roll-on, and this one seemed really unique to me. So you actually pump it out like this, and then you just roll it onto your eye area. Actually, it already feels really cold on the back of my hand, so I just thought like, oh, what a nice little idea and pick me up. So I also got this from Amore Pacific. This is the Color Illuminating Compact. And let's go ahead and see what this looks like. I have been really interested in trying out a lot of highlighters, but I have been noticing Korean brands have been coming out with some amazing highlighters. I actually don't know if I've tried a ton of makeup products from Amore Pacific besides their cushion foundation, which is actually one of my favorite cushion foundations, but I wanted to try out more of their makeup products. So, okay, so I needed one of these. This is from Dr. Jart. This is the Dermask Foot Smoothing Mask. You guys have ever seen these? They're pretty impressive, these types of foot masks. And I have noticed some like cracked heels on my feet. My feet are rough. And I need a little treatment, and I want a little warmth on my feet. Just like a nice little soothing self-care type of product. So we'll give that one a go. Ooh, what's this? Oh, okay, this is from Erborian. This is a touch pen sculptor.
Huh?
What is this? This is the Erborian Touch Pen Complexion Sculptor and Concealer. So I know that they're really famous for their primer, but I just wanted to try this concealer from them. Ugh. Ooh, so it's like a sponge tip concealer. Erborian is something that is still kind of new to me. I haven't tried a ton of their line, but I hear a lot of really good things about them. Ooh, another Erborian. I hope I'm pronouncing that right, by the way. This is their CC cream. So again, I do want to try their makeup products. I'm also really excited about this because I've been trying to get back into like BB creams and CC creams. So I just have been more into a more lightweight makeup type of look. And this says it's also supposed to be good for those who have acne prone skin and also keeping the skin moisturized throughout the day. So again, I guess I'm going to use these two in conjunction with one another and see how they go. Alright you guys, so I hope you enjoyed my K-Beauty from Sephora haul. I got a lot of hauls to come, and as always, I hope you guys are happy and healthy, and don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, share with your friends and family, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!